Hi gorgeous! It's me, Genius Store, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be another makeup tutorial. Yes, because it's the most wonderful time of the year. Yes, since season is coming, Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, so we are going to have a Christmas look makeup tutorial. So if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe na po. It's going to be a Christmas gift for me, so don't forget to subscribe and share if you like to share this one, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated and every time I post my new video. So without so much ado, let's jump into the video. And our contact lens is on now. This time we will be working with our eyebrows, so I'll be using with the same brand with the Dermacol gel eyeliner, so in the shade of black. So I like starting with my tip here, so I want this part to become darker as it go to become like lighter going inside like that. So ginagamit ko po yung kulay na black kasi I feel like it's better when it's black. Kasi usual kasi yung pag makikita natin sa mga makeup tutorial, yung ginagamit na yung parang powdery na color brown, and then they usually like good at it, pero para sa akin I don't feel like beautiful when using color brown, so I must prefer na gamitin po yung color black, yung dark shade na ganito. So this time we are going to clean it up using this Pop Feel Professional Makeup Invisible Cover Foundation in the shade of F04. So ayan po, kung makikita natin. So para sa akin, hindi na kinakailangan na maging like dapat mong galingan yung pagkikilay mo, because I believe yung cleaning session would really help that much, like ganito. So hindi yan actually not properly shade, but I believe with this kind of cleaning using this foundation, it will give you that kind of shape that you really wanted to have. So it's going to be like snatchy, as if like, wow, hello, good evening. Ayan po, we're done cleaning. So I feel like gusto ko munang unahin yung ating eyeshadow before we go on with the foundation. So before that, we need to clean, to set the part para maging mas maganda yung blending process natin. So ayan, mura tayo Ninja Turtle dito kasi parang nasobrahan tayo ng foundation. Hindi kakulad ng ating skin. Well, anyway, so much for that. We are going ahead with our eyeshadow. So I'll be using this Morphe X James palette, and then since it's Christmas look, so we need to find a color that will match to the color of the Christmas season. So it's going to be like red, blue, green, gold, like silver. So ayan po. So we will start with the red color as our transition. So gagamitin ko siya as my transition. So ayan po, we are done with our hindi ko alam kung transitional yan, pero ano nangyari, parang full eyeshadow. So wala na way, we will proceed to our dark shade, which is going to be blue, like so. It's going to be like here, and ilalagay po natin dito. And so ngayon, we are going, so we are going to apply a cut crease. Kasi gagawa po tayo ng something like an ombre. Like, so we are going to put it like here. So, yan po, nagiging bongga yung mixing of color and combination of colors natin dito. So, para maging perfect ito, gagamitin po din natin ng another shade of this one na I guess, this kind of shade, like dito or dito para sa ating under shadow. So, let's start it. And so ngayon, para maging reality yung ating Christmas look, so lalagyan po natin ng mga Christmas ball, or I mean, i-draw po natin yung mga Christmas balls dito. So we are going to draw that one. Ayan. Perfect na ba?
Yes.
So, ayan na. We are almost done. Yan, di ba? May audience tayo sa nasa likod. Now, we are about to finish our look. So, for our final look, we are going to apply agay. We are going to apply this false eyelashes. So, I got this in Shopee, so it's in the brand of Vincent. So, fashion eyeglasses. So, we are going to off-cam to put some eyelashes. So, by the way, when we write back, it's going to be our final look just in 3, 2, 1. So, ayan, char lang. Kaya nakalimot na itag butang sa ato ang highlighter. So, we need to put first our highlighter. Even our contour, wala pa natin. So, we are going to put that one first. Ayan. Oy, dahil nagusto ka tira dahil.
Sige, cut lang.
This is our final look. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in every time I post my new video. Bye, gorgeous!